him. I love him so dearly. He's like the best thing that's ever happened to me. Oh my gosh, he's amazing, and I love him. He's the best. Hello?
Hey.
What's up, baby? Well, why would you want to break up? We're doing great though. But I can't believe you, jerk! Come in.
What's wrong? What's wrong? What happened?
He broke up with me.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Why?
He wanted to see somebody.
What a jerk. Do you want me to give him a piece of my mind?
No, we're gonna get married!
No, it's okay. You'll
I
find
love
someone
him!
better. You'll find someone better.
Get away from me! Leave me alone! I don't want to see your face! Nobody cares about me anymore. My own boyfriend doesn't want to be with me. Everybody hates me. My sister won't even talk to me. There's no point in my life to live. Computer. What's going on? Sophie? No. No, Sophie. Sophie. No. No. Why? What? Sophie? Sophie? It's not your fault. It's not your fault.